Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Squidward. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start near the top and let's draw the nose. Let's start with a small curve up and down. Now from each end, let's curve it down. And a curve to close off the bottom. Now that we have the nose, let's hop on top and draw the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve down, touching the nose and up on the left, and the same thing on the right. And then a line across on top. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw the pupils. Starting from the top, let's draw a curve down, bringing it up and stopping here. And one more small curve down to finish off each one. Now let's hop out and let's draw a bump up from each of the corners. And then two large curves up at the top. And then inside, let's add two lines across. And lastly, let's add two curves on top for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start next to each eye and let's draw a line down. Then at the top, let's draw two large curves up and in. And connect it to form the top of the head. Now top to the bottom, and we're going to draw a curve out on each side. Curve it down. And back in. And then inside for the mouth, let's draw two curves down and out, starting from the nose. And a small curve on the ends. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with two long lines down for the neck. And then an angle underneath each side. And a V-shaped point down. Now let's hop up and let's draw a line out on each side. And then bring it down and up. And that's it for the collar of the shirt. Now let's add two angles down for the shoulders. Curve it down. And bring it back in, stopping here. Now let's add two curves down for the sides of the shirt. And close it off at the bottom. Now underneath the shirt, let's step in and let's draw two curves down. And another curve across. Now we're going to hop out and let's draw the arms. From the sleeves, let's draw an angle down and out. And then a shorter one underneath. Now under this line, let's angle it back in towards the shirt. And then from the elbow, let's angle it back in, stopping just before the shirt here. Now for the hands, let's add a bump down. And let's curve it up and out. And bring it back in on top. Now inside this section, let's add a small oval. And then to close off the hands, let's add another curve back down and in underneath. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a long line down. And let's do the same thing underneath, curving it out like this. Then let's continue it out with a curve. And let's bring it down. And back into the center. Now inside each of the feet, let's draw a bump up and bring it down. And then add 2 small ovals inside each side. Now on top of each foot, we're going to add the back set by drawing a curve up. And curve it back down. And that's it for Squidward. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!